Hello everybody, welcome to Jacqueline Marie Living. I'm Jacqueline Marie. I'm so happy that you're here. If you are a new visitor, please don't forget to subscribe. On today's episode, I'm going to give you a tour of the outside porch area that I recently decorated for the summer. Also, I'm going to give you a tour of the foyer, living room, and powder room. So let's get going. We're going to start the tour in the front yard. All the flowers are in bloom. There is a lot of Stella de Oro lilies, and also the evergreens are thriving. So let's go ahead and enjoy the tour. As part of the decorations for the front of the house, I added a beautiful summer garden flag. Please let me know what you think about this flag. Yesterday I went to Michael's to see if there was any summer decorations on sale, and I found out that all the summer decorations were 70% off, so I was able to find some beautiful flowers to make the wreath for the porch. So I cannot wait to show you the wreath that I made yesterday. Please let me know what you think about the wreath. To make this wreath, I bought 3 bunches of flowers and greenery, and I separate them in singles and glue them up to the wreath. Also, I bought some decorative paper fans and put one on the wreath. The other ones, I put them on the other side wall. Let me know what you think about the collage of paper fans. These are the Stella de Oro lilies, and they're thriving in the heat of the summer. And now let's go inside the house to show you the foyer, living room, and powder room decorated with a costal garden theme. And here's Stella to welcome you. In the foyer, I decorated the table with a beautiful flower arrangement with hydrangeas and baby's breath. I also added a map of the Boston Harbor. This map is a representation of the Boston Harbor in 1849. This is the area that my husband and I go sailing every week. The Boston Harbor is a beautiful area to sail, and it has a magnificent view of the city. If you want to see some of the photos and movies that I take when I go sailing, please refer to my Instagram account. If you want to see my living room and kitchen decorated for costal decor, please also refer to another video that I just released a few days ago. And now I'm going to show you the living room. In the living room, I made an arrangement for the coffee table. I used a wicker basket to put all the flowers. For the mantle, I used greenery and summer flowers to decorate the mantle. Also, I put beautiful birds and some green plates. I set up the frame TV with a beautiful photo to match the summer decor. These flowers that are on the mantle are in ceramic and they were from my mother. This antique piece of furniture is all made in mahogany, and I found it in a consignment shop when I was donating some of my furniture. I bought it for about $150. And now I'm going to show you the powder room that usually guests use. The plates that are on the wall are Fitz and Floyd, and they're costal motif. I had them for many years, and I bought them in a store in Salt Lake City, Utah, where I used to live before. I hope that you enjoyed the tour of the front porch and some of the areas of my home. If you want to see the tour of the kitchen and the dining room, please refer to the video that I released a few days ago. I hope that this video provided you a lot of inspiration and ideas to create beautiful decor in your home. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you're a new visitor, please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching the video. I'm Jacqueline Marie, and I hope to see you next time on Jacqueline Marie Living. See you next time.